Hello everyone, in this tutorial series I will show you how to use some basic Cognito features. I will show you how you can register, validate your email, sign in, and also I will show you how you can protect your backend API. For backend we will use Flask micro web server, and on client we will use JavaScript. So here is a demonstration of our project. So for example we can register with some username, for example test, with email, for example this, and password test. Register, and after registration we will receive email with verification code. So this is our verification code, and we can validate our email when we go to /code registration. So username is test and code is this. After our email is valid, we are able to sign in to our application. So username test and password test, sign in, and after that we are redirected to route/welcome, and here is printed hello test, actually our username, and here is some protected data from API. Of course we are able to sign out from our application. So let's get started with this project. First we need to create user pool, and I will delete this old one, and after that I will create new for you. Delete. You need to go to Amazon Web Service, so of course you need to have account. Click on services, find Cognito, and click on manage user pool. Okay. Now we are able to create a user pool, provide username, pool name tutorial, and we can go to settings. So this is okay to stick with default. Standard attributes, email, of course you can check whatever you need, but for this project email is enough. You are able to add custom attributes, but not for now. Next. We don't need anything about this, and next step. We don't need multi-factor authentication, and we want to require verification of email. Okay, this is everything okay. We don't need any tags, for example this. And here is an important part. We need to add application client. Application client name can be tutorial also. And the most important thing is to uncheck this generate client secret, because if this is checked, this client will not work with JavaScript. So because we use JavaScript, we need to uncheck this button. So create app client. Next step. We don't need any lambda functions, and we can create pool. Wait a little, and pool was created successfully. Great. With this we need to save two data, and this is pool ID. So we can go here, open text editor, and pool ID is this, and we need to save client ID as well. We can find it in app clients, and app client ID is this. Okay. That's everything about Cognito user pool. We will use these two values later, actually in second tutorial. And now we can go through our project. So in app.py we have three routes for now: / for index.html, code registration, and welcome as well. So let's see index.html. Here we import Bootstrap because of CSS and jQuery. Also we import app.js, and for now it's nothing important here. Some really basic functions. I will show you later. And similar to index is code registration. And let's see, in index we actually need to have two forms, form for sign in and form for registration. And this is okay. When user click on register, register function is called in app.js, register. And when user click on sign in is called, etc. So we can check this, so we can start application. Of course, you need to install Flask, of course, and okay, you're able to sign in. Okay, there are two consoles from username and password. Yeah, great, but here is one problem. When we click on sign in or register any button, form is submitted on our server, and actually we don't need this because we don't want to use our server. Actually we want to register user from client side with Cognito. So you're able to go here and provide here in form on submit equal return false, and we can copy this for every form in our application, so here and in code registration as well. So we can check this now, so username, password, great, and again and again, great. So this console.log is implemented with in app.js files. For example, for sign in, you can fetch username with value of that ID, sign in username, and in index.html you have input with this ID, for example, and etc. for password, email, etc. So one more thing is to import Amazon Web Service files, and we can find it here. I will write this URL in description, and sorry, you need to install, for example, on this way we'll use this, and you need to save these two files in our project. So save page as in our project /static, and second file as well. Great, and we need to import this in our project. So file name will be AWS Cognito SDK min.js and sorry, Amazon Cognito identity. Please write this in correct order, because if you change order, that will not work. Okay. And also we need to import this in index.html as well, and in /welcome I will show you this later, but import this okay for now. Okay, I believe that's everything. Let's check that everything is okay, because if we don't receive any error. Okay, great, everything works. And that's everything about setup, and in the next tutorial I will show you how you actually write this app.js file and actually write that function, sign in, register, etc. Okay, goodbye.